In this lesson, I'll try to show you how I use transcripts from this kind of courses to build up the knowledge. So without watching long videos, how can I quickly, more efficiently get the knowledge, the core knowledge? So what I'll do is I'll start with this one. And if I click here, okay, so that's fine. There is no transcript here, but if you click this one, you'll see that there is transcript. So lesson 1, main session, and download transcript. Now it will show this kind of transcript here. So I'll just download this and I'll download it. Let's say I'll create a folder, and let's say I'll just create a folder, new folder, and transcripts. Save. That's it. This got saved. Likewise, I'll do for this one as well. The next one. Now it will automatically get saved to transcript folder. And this one as well. So that's then one is done. Likewise, I'll do the second one. Critical insights. Focus on applications. So the 2 is done as well. Likewise, I want you to do for all these, like there are 10 different modules, and there are bonus content as well. So for everything, I want you to download this kind of text or the transcripts. Now if I go to, let's say, downloads, and I'll go for transcripts. So all these are there. Now next step is that open ChatGPT. Now on ChatGPT, there is an option to upload all these. Now if I upload all these here, and I'll tell ChatGPT something like, read all these transcripts and tell me the core lessons or take home messages for each videos in bullet points. So imagine I have all the 10 modules here, and then I'm typing this. Then what happens is that ChatGPT will read everything and it will give you the key insights. So you don't have to watch all the videos for several hours. Instead, you can get quick summary of these, and you can go through these. You can ask for clarifications, some examples from ChatGPT. You can just ask it that, maybe this particular point is not clear to you. You can copy and paste this to ChatGPT, and you can say, I don't understand this point. Can you please elaborate with examples? Something like that. If you enter this for further clarification, it will definitely give you a lot of more information on this. And it might not be exactly based on what it was taught in the course, but from the World Wide Web, which is cool as well. But if you want something that's that's there in the course, from the course, then you need to add here. I'm gonna stop this, what they're doing. And I don't understand this. Can you please elaborate on this with examples, but strictly base it on the transcripts. Base it on the transcript. Okay. So now what it will give is only based on whatever there is in transcript. Okay, so this is the way you can digest the entire courses very quickly, and you can also obviously copy paste these things in Word documents, keep notes of it, read it, and if probably you find probably something interesting, something is not very clear, you can always go to that specific video file and read it. That's fine. And or maybe watch that video, that particular video. So instead of watching 20, 30 different videos, you can pick the most important 2 or 3 videos and watch them properly, make notes. So this way you can expedite this process of acquiring knowledge from such video courses online.